Welcome. I'm going to show you how to put up a hangboard in your house without damaging your walls. I would recommend damaging your walls and drilling in to get a really secure hangboard, but if you are like me and you cannot do this, then this video is for you. All right. The first thing you're going to need is a pull-up bar like this that fits on the door frame. Just comes on, off and on, easy enough. No drilling required. Okay, step 2, you're going to want to remove the end caps from your pull-up bar. Step 3, you're going to want to go to Home Depot and pick up parts. I recommend just taking it with you. And you're going to want to get this is called a flange, and this is the nipple. And you're going to want to find a nipple and flange combo that lets you put this into your pull-up bar and goes all the way in. It needs to go all the way in. Because if it sticks out, the more it sticks out, the more force you get into the door. You're going to rip paint and stuff. You want some of that horizontal force because that's how it works, but everything's a balance. And once you get the right size that fits flush against the flange, then you're going to want to get screws that fit the depth of the wood. So I went with 3/4 inch thick. You could probably go 3/4 or an inch. And I put the Trango on there, and that's about it. Happy climbing, happy training. Hope to see some big improvements after the COVID